Well, it is a Saturday morning and we have some beautiful fabrics. We have a combination of some that we had on the sale and some new, and I want to show you why. Everything I'm putting up right now is either a great transitional fabric or it's perfect for 112. On Tuesday night we're going to do our POM, and like this fabric is just perfect for making 112. It would be beautiful. It's a lime green. It's so pretty. You could make a tank that matched and do a little cream pant. Monochromatic would be just lovely. Just so pretty. 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. A really fine rib. Just beautiful. And of course it correlates just perfectly with this to do a little jacket or a little cardigan. This would be a wonderful little cardigan. And it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. You've got brown in here, and then a darker green, and then a mint green, a little cream. It's a rib. It's a cotton poly blend. It feels like 100% cotton, but there's a little bit of poly in there. It has stretch in both directions. Very nice. This probably is my favorite fabric that we've had in a long time. It's 100% cotton. It's that linen look. What we see is that both sides are usable. It's just beautiful. It has stretch in both directions. Not a lot. This is perfect for 112. Perfect for making our pattern of the month Casey's. Even a matching turtleneck to go with it. Again, that monochromatic look is so strong. It's beautiful. And then we have this faux fur. And I love this. This is probably the softest. You know, a lot of faux furs are thick and heavy. This is not. This is like that Geraldine's jacket. 251 would be beautiful in this for the front. And it has stretch to it. It's not a woven. It does have stretch to it in one direction. But it's beautiful. You could come back with something coordinating, something lighter to make the rest of the jacket, or just do the whole thing in this. I just love this. This is a cotton poly blend. Isn't that pretty? Great drape. And typically these are like a 4. These faux, this is light. This is meant to be much lighter. So it's really great for spring. Great transition fabric. This we have, I love these two. They're coordinates, clearly a pair of pants, a jacket, a skirt, a blouse. I mean, to put them together I think would be stunning, especially again when this monochromatic dressing is so popular right now, or top to bottom suiting. They are both 100% cotton. You can see this hand is about a 4. Both sides are usable. This hand is much lighter. It's about a 3. But aren't they pretty? Just beautiful. Same colors, same coloration, same everything. Just two different manufacturers, but same fabric. I mean, two different interpretations of it. But the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.